how I pack my bike before a flight. This is not a tutorial, just a sharing of how I do it. This step is optional, but if your tires are muddy and if you are traveling to countries that are very particular about biosecurity, looking at you New Zealand and Australia, I would suggest washing the tires and mudguards. The last thing you want is for the biosecurity officers to find mud and dirt on your tire treads. They will make you take your bike out of the box and spray it down to get rid of insects or seeds. It's a hassle for you and the officers, so save everyone the trouble by cleaning your bike well before the flight. I wash the tires with warm water so the mud can come off easily. Then it's scrubbity scrub time. Making sure I get into every nook and cranny to remove all the mud. Hose down with warm water again to rinse off the soap. Look at all the dirty water coming off. After that, I wipe off any excess water with a towel. According to Google, it's crucial to make sure the wheel hub is dried off properly. Is it called a wheel hub? I forgot. Oh well. Yay for clean tires! Whoop-de-doo! Let's move on to disassembling and packing. Seat close off. Handlebar off. Tape it to the side. Front wheel off and tape it to the side of the bicycle. Let some air out from the tires. Pedals off, and I tape it here together with the bike so that I don't lose it. Shifted the chain into the inner cog. Take the sheet out of this to protect the derailleur. Tape the sheet out of the bike to protect whatever you want to protect. To protect the front fork from being bent, I insert a spacer in between to protect it. I just DIY it, cut it myself, and then I use the quick release to insert it through the PVC pipe and screw it tight, and that's it. This water bottle is actually my toolbox. I put all my tools inside this water bottle, and then I just slid it inside this water bottle cage. The final part is putting the bike into the box as gracefully as I can. And the final part, squeezing the rest of my stuff into the box. I fill out the spaces and gaps with my tent, sleeping gear, cooking gear, etc. etc. My bike is ready for travel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Kthxbai!